In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text and background color in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the color of specific text and how to add a background color across one or more pages. All using tools built right into Acrobat Pro. Start by opening your PDF, then go to the Tools tab at the top. From there, choose Edit PDF. This puts Acrobat into editing mode and reveals the controls you'll need. Click once on the text you want to change. Then drag to select the exact words or lines you want to update. Selection matters here, only the text you highlight will be affected. On the right-hand side, look for the Format panel. This is where you can change the font and size to match your design or branding needs. To update the color, open the Font Color drop-down and pick the shade you want. You'll see the selected text update immediately, which makes it easy to test a few colors until it looks right. For readability, choose colors with good contrast against the page. For example, darker text on lighter backgrounds is usually easier to scan. If the text doesn't allow color changes, it may be part of an image rather than editable text, in which case color tools won't apply. Now let's set a background color. In the toolbar, click More, then go to Background and choose Add. This opens the background options for your document. Select from Color. Then click the Color box to open the color picker. Choose a color that complements your text. Something subtle often works best, so your content remains the focus. Remember that a background applies behind all content on the page, not just behind specific text. Before you confirm, adjust the opacity to control how strong or faint the background appears. Lower opacity gives you a soft tint that improves readability without overpowering the page, while higher opacity creates a more solid backdrop. Next, set the range to decide where the background applies. You can apply it to all pages or limit it to a specific set, perfect for title pages, sections, or forms. When everything looks good, click OK to apply your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.